Today, learn about English alphabet. Are you ready? A is for ant. Ant. B is for butterfly. Butterfly. C is for camel. Camel. D is for dinosaur. Dinosaur. E is for elephant. Elephant. F is for fish. Fish. G is for grasshopper. Grasshopper. H is for hippopotamus. Hippopotamus. I is for iguana. Iguana. J is for jellyfish. Jellyfish. K is for kangaroo. Kangaroo. L is for lion. Lion. M is for monkey. Monkey. N is for narwhal. Narwhal. O is for octopus. Octopus. P is for penguin. Penguin. Q is for queen bee. Queen bee. R is for rabbit. Rabbit. S is for snake. Snake. T is for tiger. Tiger. U is for unicorn. Unicorn. V is for vulture. Vulture. W is for whale. Whale. X is for X-ray fish. X-ray fish. Y is for yak. Yak. Z is for zebra. Zebra.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.